Okay, so let's say you're working on your project, you have a lot of layers, you've done a lot of work here, and you want to transfer those layers from one project onto the same mesh in a different project. How do you do that without changing the layers or mess anything up? Well, here's how you do it. It's really simple. So first of all, you go into Blender, you open a new project if need be. Anyway, you delete the default cube, and you, first of all, you import your OBJs. Okay, sweet. Just visually confirm that everything looks roughly the same. Okay, next, you make sure that each of these has a material. So you go in here, make sure each of these has a material. Okay, make sure they're named something pretty intuitive. Then select all of your things, go to File, Export as an OBJ, and limit to selection only, and then choose where you're going to export this stuff. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the texture set, and you're going to make sure that this name is the name of the same mesh over here. So for example, if this is the body, this is equivalent to this one. So whatever the name of this is, this should be the same. So in this case, you see that this is main body. So we're going to rename this to main body. If we don't do this, the texture won't transfer over because it doesn't know which to apply to. So anyway, once you do that, you go File, Project Configuration, and then you pull in the thing that you just exported. And then you click OK. And then if you give it a little bit of time, you'll see that all your stuff is imported, which is really sweet, right? All your layers are here, all your work is still here, and you can still edit everything else as needed. So that was it. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial.